cracking traction off the line. Very clear dashboard so I can see the shift lights and get my shift time just right. Paddles click beautifully. You can just tell it's a proper car. Pitch it in and immediately I'm having fun. Open differential, but McLaren have this very, very clever system where they can break a wheel and make it feel like it has a locking diff. And I have to say, even though it doesn't quite feel like an LSD, it's so close that you don't really worry. You just marvel at how nimble the thing feels. Just goes. Whoosh, it goes. And this is a Spider, but it makes no big difference being a Spider because of the McLaren carbon tub. You chop the roof off a Ferrari, it makes a big difference. Chop the roof off a McLaren, there's a small weight penalty, but it really drives just the same. It's agile, it's nimble, it's fast, it's beautiful. Oh, got a bit of admiration for this thing. It's a stunning achievement. And I think this might be the best car they make. I really do.